RedSky 1.85. QTFPV lap 1 in first. Provo lap 1 in second. Pliers lap 1 in third. QTFPV lap 2 in first. Provo lap 2 in second. SNAKEYE lap 1 in fourth. QTFPV finished in first. Provo finished in second. Pliers lap 2 in third. "60 seconds remaining. SNAKEYE lap 2 in fourth. Pliers finished in third.
Go ahead and finish, Pliers. I guess I lied. I had to let you have that one. You are. I had to pass you. Well, first answer, so to be fair,
30 seconds remaining.
in this game, so you're good. Definitely not my worst, but definitely not my best.
SNAKEYE finished in fourth. 10 seconds remaining.
You might fix it. Oh. All right.
Finish your lap and then land. Arm your quads. Starting on the tone in less than 5. Whole shot SNAKEYE 2.35.
Do you want to commentate, Chris? Here's the mic. Okay, we have SNAKEYE out in first. Oh, no. We got nantonaku holding first. SNAKEYE went down. RedSky coming up on the court.
Pliers lap 1 in first.
Oh, let's see if he can make it back. Oh, he's back in the air right as RedSky makes the pass. SNAKEYE got back up.
SNAKEYE lap 1 in second. RedSky lap 1 in third. Nantonaku lap 1 in fourth.
There's a reading. SNAKEYE went down again. Nantonaku out in first. Coming through the slalom.
Nantonaku lap 2 in first. 60
lap.
seconds remaining.
See if RedSky can hold it together. Also coming through the slalom on his third lap.
RedSky lap 2 in second.
Back up. See if SNAKEYE can make the pass on RedSky. Oh, he goes down again.
Nantonaku finished in first.
Oh! He's trying to turtle back up. Oh, the SNAKEYE back up again. He's a lap
30
behind
seconds
RedSky.
remaining. SNAKEYE lap 2 in third. RedSky finished in second.
There you have it. SNAKEYE halfway through his third lap. Oh, he goes down again.
10 seconds remaining.
Pliers, did you go down? Was that 4 or 5? I'm impressed.
Finish your lap and then land.
Yes, you did. Nantonaku with a 50.45. RedSky with a 90.
SNAKEYE finished in third.
Land it. Oh, sorry, that's not correct. nantonaku with a 75.5, a PB of a 50.45. RedSky with a 97.33. Snakeye with a 139.
Arm your quads. Starting on the tone in less than 5. Arm your quads. Starting on the tone in less than 5. Whole shot QTFPV 1.87. QTFPV lap 1 in first. Nantonaku lap 1 in second. Apple lap 1 in third. RedSky lap 1 in fourth. QTFPV lap 2 in first. Apple lap 2 in second. QTFPV finished in first. Nantonaku lap 2 in third. Apple finished in second. 60 seconds remaining. Nantonaku finished in third. Arm your quads. Starting on the tone in less than 5. Whole shot QTFPV 1.66. QTFPV lap 1 in first. Apple lap 1 in second. Provo lap 1 in third. QTFPV lap 2 in first. Apple lap 2 in second. Rodgers lap 1 in fourth. Provo lap 2 in third. QTFPV finished in first.
Smoke! Someone's on fire. I think that was Apple. One of you was on. There was smoke.
Provo finished in second. 60 seconds remaining.
I was done.
Apple.
Rodgers lap 2 in fourth.
I was confused, so I just kept going. But yeah, I gotta win again though.
Did you catch on fire over there? Somebody was smoking over there. Over by the soccer field. Okay. Okay, let's
30 seconds remaining.
Sorry.
Rodgers finished in third.
There you go. Good job, Ryan. Slow and steady. Wins third.
Arm your quads. Starting on the stand down and disarm. Race start cancelled.
You couldn't? You can now? All right. Everybody's ready to go? For all the beams. Pushing the start button.
Arm your quads. Starting on the tone in less than 5. Whole shot Apple 1.59.
Apple's killing it. Oh, it's going again. Oh. There we go. We got Clinton out front.
Provo lap 1 in first. QTFPV lap 1 in second. Apple lap 1 in third. Rodgers lap 1 in fourth. QTFPV lap 2 in first. Provo lap 2 in second. Apple lap 2 in third.
Rodgers steady.
QTFPV finished in first. Apple finished in second.
What a letdown. What a letdown.
Provo finished in third.
Quinton wins the race.
Rodgers lap 2 in fourth.
What a letdown.
60 seconds remaining.
Nobody can be happy about that. Nobody. I tried.
Rodgers finished in fourth.
Good at it.
Quinton finished
Okay. What's up, man? What do you need a barrel? Oh. Fisherman's bobbins?
30 seconds.